Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I'm just lost to feel, I need time to heal. I can't steer the wheel, cause this driving kills. And it gives me chills, a nice road it feels. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad, I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way.
Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. Slowly now, I'll give up everything. A daunting load. If I could see my dreams, I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality. Don't let go, don't let go. I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality.
I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this. I just wanna break these chains. Always destined for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once that I so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started to outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
I'll give up everything.
Keputusan kelima, pada kali ini dimenangkan oleh pesilat dari suku panggilan susu merah. Jadwal untuk susu biru. Pada kali ini dimenangkan oleh pesilat dari suku biru. Mengharus negara dari Kabupaten Suku Salam. Untuk berlayar ke 14 kelas Cipika, Rizky Hidayat dari Kabupaten Aceh Barat menempati sudut merah berhadapan dengan Dimas Prasetyo dari Kabupaten Negara yang menempati sudut biru.
Mari dulu. Iya, abang ini lah.
Tapi dia boleh boleh.
Pada partai ini dimenangkan oleh pesilat dari Sudut Tulu Nadira Gunanti dari Kabupaten Aceh.
Mana? Udah. Udah saya kopi tadi. Udah. Maka udah nanti.
Merah. Babak pertama selesai. Agar segera mempersiapkan diri partai ke-43. Biru Muhammad Rizky Anwar dari Kabupaten Aceh Barat Daya. Babak pertama dimulai. Babak kedua dimulai. Pada partai ini dimenangkan oleh pesilat dari sudut merah, Sarah Salsabila dari Kabupaten Aceh Barat. Pada partai ini dimenangkan oleh pesilat dari sudut biru, Sekar Intan Pratiwi dari Kabupaten Aceh Barat. Babak pertama dimulai. Merah, Rizka Ali Syaputra dari Kabupaten Aceh Selatan. Babak ketiga dimulai.
Penutupan gelanggang.
Medali kejuaraan pencak silat Barat Selatan Aceh di Melabuh tahun 2018. Tiga Darwati dari Aceh Selatan bersama Nadira Munasti dari Abdiya. Kelas E Putri. Juara 1 Nadila PPLP Aceh. Juara 2 Aden Musita dari Aceh Barat. Juara 3 Wulandari Ulam Sari Sebelum Salam.
Pegang gigit. Pegang gigit terus. Pegang.
Masita Aceh Barat, Wulandari.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam olahraga. Syukur alhamdulillah sama-sama kita panjatkan kehadirat Allah SWT. Selawat diri salam selalu kita sampaikan kepada junjungan alam Nabi besar Muhammad SAW, keluarga dan sahabat beliau yang kami hormati, Ketua KONI Kabupaten Aceh Barat, para Ketua Kercap dan Gocap, para peserta silat Barat Selatan dan hadirin yang berbahagia. Pada saat kesempatan ini syukur alhamdulillah apa yang kita laksanakan sudah terlaksana sebagaimana yang kita harapkan. Dan hari ini menjadi ajang silaturahmi, ya, ajang silaturahmi beberapa kabupaten kota yang ada di wilayah pantai barat selatan. Kemarin tidak break. Untuk itu dengan resmi kegiatan kejuaraan terbuka pencak silat barat selatan tahun 2018 dengan resmi kami nyatakan ditutup. Demikianlah yang dapat kami sampaikan. Kami akhiri, wabillahi taufik wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ini uang orang aja yang dikira. Perut lapar. Perut lapar nggak? Parah. Macam mana beli? 1, 2, 3, 3,5.